Hey guys, TechMentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power off, shut down, turn off, and then also turn on or restart your iPhone 15 in a couple different ways. So let's get started. So the very first and the simplest way to power off or shut down your iPhone is using the buttons, which is going to be either volume up or volume down button, one or the other, and then combo with the side button on your right hand side. So you press at the same time the volume up or down button with the side button, press and hold for about a second or two, and this menu to slide to power off will come up, and then you'll slide it and it will shut down your phone. Now the second method to turn off your iPhone is by going to your setting of your iPhone, and then you'll go to general and then go all the way down here where it says shut down, and if you click on that, again another menu to slide to power off comes up, and you just simply slide to power off. Now the third method to turn off is by actually using Siri if you have Siri enabled. If you do, activate Siri by saying hey Siri, or by pressing this side button if it's turned on like that. And once you do have that, all you'll say is Siri, power off.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And as you can see here, you get a prompt to confirm, and again this time you don't have to slide to power off, and this is great especially if your touch isn't working or it's not responsive, because now Siri can turn it off by pressing that button that you have and activating Siri. Now once it's turned off, you might be wondering, how can I turn it on? Well, the simplest and the easiest way is pressing and holding this side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Now if it doesn't work for you, the other way, let's say this button is broken or something, if you connect it to the charger, right, on the new USB-C cable charger, right, that you have, plug it into a charger, it will also automatically prompt the phone to turn on. So either of the method is working for you. So I'm going to do the button, but for some reason, like I said, if you can't press it and hold the button, or it doesn't work for you, just connect it to a charger. It will kick it off or get it to turn on again. And after that, give it a few moments, you'll see the Apple logo and be back to the main screen, and you just have turned off and shut down and then restarted your iPhone 15. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.